Marcus is in Kilburn. Marcus, good evening.
Yeah, hi, good evening.
How can I help you?
I wanted to ask a question. I wanted to know if I could take legal action against my son's school. My son lost a pair of fairly expensive prescription glasses. The manner in which he lost it was that he was in his classroom. It's meant to be locked when the students are not in the classroom. But the classroom is open to other students, and the glasses went missing at that time. I've tried to liaise with the school to see if they can refund the cost of glasses, and I've had no response or nothing to say that they're willing to do that. I was thinking about taking a small claim action against them.
Okay, Marcus, I'm not what's the value of the glasses, by the way?
£300.
Goodness me, so they are quite expensive.
Yeah, he's got special the lenses. He's got really bad eyesight, so he needed to get a special thinning of the lenses.
Yeah,
and the frames itself are quite expensive.
Okay, is this a maintained school or a private school?
It's a mainstream school.
Okay, so I'm not 100% sure of the answer to this one, but I'm about 85% sure, just going to basic legal principles. Because in order to sue the school, you'd have to show it's done something that's negligent. To do that, you'd have to show it's got a duty of care to your son. Yes, it has. You'd have to show it breached that duty of care through effectively carelessness. And if you're correct, and I take you at your word, if you're correct that that classroom door should have been locked and it wasn't, well, that's probably a breach of the duty of care. But you've also got to show that the loss, the financial loss, which is the cost of replacing the glasses because they went missing, flows from the school's negligence, which it does, and wasn't the result of an intervening act by a third party. Now, that's a bit of a long-winded legal phrase, but essentially means if somebody else comes and does something naughty, that will stop the school being responsible for it. And I think a student or a member of staff stealing or damaging those glasses would be an intervening act which stops the school being responsible. I said, I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty much 85-90% sure that's what a court would say.
Okay, so could you? Do I need all three of them things? Because the glasses have gone missing. I can only presume it's been stolen.
Yeah.
So I mean, does that mean that I don't really?
I don't think you have a claim. I don't think you have a claim here, Marcus. Okay. I'm sorry. If someone thinks differently, text in 84850. If you know differently from the law, I should say, not that you think morally the school should reimburse.
Yeah.
Yes, of course, morally the school should reimburse, but we're dealing with the law here. And if someone knows of any case law or instance where the school has been responsible in these circumstances, text 84850. I'll read it out. But I think you'd lose that one, Marcus.
Okay.
This is a silly question, I know. I'm sure your son has, but has he checked lost property?
Yeah, they have.